We invited a few people. We invited a few people. Twatumiye abantu bake ariko barahagije. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. Uyu munsi none tugiye kwiga amagambo nka much, many, a little, little, a few ndetse na few. Aya magambo akoreshwa kuvuga ingano y'ikintu runaka cyangwa se ubwinshi bw'ibintu cyangwa se nanone ubwinshi bw'abantu, uko abantu bangana. Mbibutse yuko niba ukeneye kwihugura kuri rw'icyongereza twandikire kuri nimero ubona muri screen yawe. Ijambo rya mbere ni much. Much, byinshi. We use much for uncountable nouns. Dukoresha much iyo turimo turavuga ku bintu byinshi ariko bitabarika, such as water, amazi, money, amafaranga, milk, amata, sugar, isukari, time, igihe, food, ibiryo. Ni ukuvuga ayo mazina mbabwiye ni amazina y'ibintu bitabarika. Examples: I don't have much money. I don't have much money. Ntabwo mfite amafaranga menshi. She doesn't drink much water. She doesn't drink much water. Ntabwo anywa amazi menshi. We don't have much time. We don't have much time. Ntabwo dufite igihe kinini. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha ijambo much. Much tuyikoresha mu bibazo tubaza ingano y'ikintu kitabarika. Examples: How much milk do you need? How much milk do you need? Ukeneye amata angana iki? How much sugar is there? How much sugar is there? Hari isukari ingana iki? How much time do you have? How much time do you have? Ufite igihe kingana iki? Uburyo bwa gatatu dukoresha ijambo much. We use much to make a comparison or feeling stronger. Dukoresha much kugira ngo dushimangire ko ikintu kiruta ikindi cyane. Examples: Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. It is much better now. It is much better now. Ubu ni byiza cyane kurushaho. I much prefer coffee. I much prefer coffee. Nkunda cyane ikawa kurusha ibindi. Ijambo rya kabiri ni many. Many, benshi cyangwa se byinshi. Dukoresha many ku mazina y'ibintu bibarika ariko biri mu bwinshi. Examples: I don't have many friends. I don't have many friends. Ntabwo mfite inshuti nyinshi. She doesn't read many books. She doesn't read many books. Ntabwo asoma ibitabo byinshi. We don't have many students. We don't have many students. Ntabwo dufite abanyeshuri benshi. Use to. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha many. Dukoresha many mu bibazo tubaza umubare w'ibintu cyangwa abantu babarika. Examples: How many brothers do you have? How many brothers do you have? Ufite abavandimwe b'abahungu bangahe? Urumva ko abavandimwe ni abantu ushobora kubara. How many cars are there? How many cars are there? Hari imodoka zingahe? Imodoka wazibara. How many lessons did you study? How many lessons did you study? Wize amasomo angahe? Amasomo ni ibintu ushobora kubara. Bitandukanye na much aho tuyikoresha ku bintu bitabarika. Urugero: milk, amata ntiwayabara. Water, amazi ntiwayabara. Sugar, isukari ntiwayibara, ariko many yo tuyikoresha ku bintu wabara, like to say many books, many friends, many brothers n'ibindi byinshi bitandukanye. Uburyo bwa gatatu dukoresha many. Dukoresha many iyo dushaka kwerekana ko umubare ari munini. Examples: many people like football. Many people like football. Abantu benshi bakunda umupira w'amaguru. Urumva turi kwerekana ko umubare munini w'abantu bakunda umupira w'amaguru. Many students passed the exam. Abanyeshuri benshi batsinze ikizamini. Kuvuga ko umubare munini w'abanyeshuri niwo watsinze ikizamini. Many countries speak English. Many countries speak English. Ibihugu byinshi bivuga Icyongereza. A little. A little. Bike ariko bihagije. Dukoresha a little ku mazina y'ibintu bitabarika. Tuyikoresha iyo turimo turavuga ku bintu bitabarika. Dukoresha a little iyo hari ibintu bike ariko bihagije. Examples: I have a little money. Mfite amafaranga make ariko ahagije. Amafaranga nayo twabonye ko ari uncountable nouns. Ari mu mazina y'ibintu bitabarika. She drank a little water. She drank a little water. Yanyoye amazi make ariko ahagije. Amazi ntago abarika. Niyo mpamvu dukoresheje a little. We have a little time. We have a little time. Dufite igihe gito ariko gihagije. Time ni uncountable noun. Ni izina ry'ikintu kitabarika. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha a little. Dukoresha a little mu gusaba cyangwa gutanga akantu gato mu kinyabupfura. Examples: add a little salt. Add a little salt. Ongeramo umunyu muke. I need a little help. Nkeneye ubufasha buke. Give me a little milk. Give me a little milk. Mpa amata make. Little. Little. Bike cyane bidahagije. Little ikoreshwa ku bintu bitabarika, ariko bikaba ari bike cyane ku buryo bidahagije. Examples: I have little money. I have little money. Mfite amafaranga make cyane ntahagije. There is a little water. There is little water. There is little water. Hari amazi make cyane adahagije. We have a little hope. We have a little hope. Dufite icyizere gike cyane. Ni ukuvuga ko kwizera kwacu ntabwo guhagije. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha little iyo dushaka kugaragaza ubuke bukabije bw'ikintu runaka. Examples: he showed little interest. He showed little interest. Yagaragaje ubushake buke cyane. Ni ukuvuga yagaragaje ubushake buke cyane ku buryo bikabije. She has little patience. She has little patience. Afite kwihangana guke cyane. They made little progress. They made little progress. Bateye imbere gato cyane. A few. A few. Bake ariko bahagije. Ni ukuvuga ni ibintu bike ariko bihagije, cyangwa se abantu bake ariko bahagije. Dukoresha a few iyo umubare ari muto ariko uhagije. Examples: I have a little friends. I have a little friends. Mfite inshuti nke ariko zirahagije. She bought a few books. She bought a few books. Yaguze ibitabo bike ariko birahagije. We invited a few people. We invited a few people. Twatumiye abantu bake ariko barahagije. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha a few. Dukoresha a few imbere y'amazina ari mu bwinshi. Examples: wait a few minutes. Tegereza iminota mike. Minutes uri kubona ko iri mu bwinshi. I know a few teachers. I know a few teachers. Nzi abarimu bake. He asked a few questions. He asked a few questions. Yabajije ibibazo bike. Question uri kubona ko iri mu bwinshi. Ni questions. Few. Few. Bake ariko badahagije cyangwa se ibintu bike ariko bidahagije. Tuyikoresha ku mazina nanone y'ibintu bibarika. Dukoresha few iyo umubare ari muto cyane ku buryo udahagije. Tuyikoresha ku mazina y'ibintu bibarika. Examples: few people came. Few people came. Abantu bake cyane nibo baje. I have few friends. I have few friends. Mfite inshuti nke cyane zidahagije. Few students understood. Few students understood. Abanyeshuri bake cyane nibo basobanukiwe. Ni nkaho ntawabyumvise. Uburyo bwa kabiri dukoresha few. Few dukoresha few kugira ngo tugaragaze ko abantu cyangwa ibintu bihari ari bike cyane kandi bidahagije. Few houses survived. Few houses survived. Inzu nke cyane nizo zarokotse. Few jobs are available. Few jobs are available. Hari akazi gake cyane kaboneka. Few opportunities exist. Few opportunities exist. Amahirwe make cyane niyo abaho. Twibukiranye ko much tuyikoresha kuri uncountable nouns, ku bintu byinshi ariko bitabarika. Many tuyikoresha kuri countable plural nouns, ku bintu byinshi ariko bibarika cyangwa se abantu benshi babarika. A little ni ibintu bike ariko bihagije. Little ni ibintu bike cyane ariko bidahagije. A few ni bake ariko bahagije. Few tuyikoresha ku bantu bake ariko badahagije. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.